Okay, dear student, namaste. Now, this is part 2 of tense. Today, we are going to study about past tense. Uh, let's begin the chapter. Before starting the chapter, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe my channel. You have already known the name of the channel, Kamti sir. Now, let's start the introduction of past tense. What is past tense? Do you know what is meant by past tense? Past tense is the tense that express actions, events that had already happened. That had already happened. It can describe completed actions, ongoing actions in the past, actions finished before another past action, action continuing for a duration in the past, कुनै पनि कार्य, एक्सन, कुनै पनि घटना जुन बितिसकेको समयमा भएको छ त्यसलाई बुझाउनको लागि हामीले पास्ट टेन्सको युज गर्छौँ। एकदमै राम्ररी बुझ्नुहोस् तपाईहरु। अब there are four forms of past tense. There are four forms of past tense. That is simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. यो हाम्रो पास्ट टेन्स को चारवटा प्रकारहरू छ, चारवटा फर्महरू छ, जुन सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्स, पास्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स, पास्ट पर्फेक्ट टेन्स, पास्ट पर्फेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स रहेको छ। अब now let's read about simple past tense. What the structure of simple past tense is subject plus V2 plus object, past form of verb we can use here. What is the use of simple past tense? Simple past tense कहाँनिर कसरी के किन युज हुन्छ त, यो कुरा त हामीले जान्नु पर्यो। अब now its uses are, it is used to show completed actions like I have, I visited Pokhara last year, म पोखरा last year गएँ। Like it shows past habit, she always walked to school, she always walked to school. Past facts, he was the captain of the team. पास्ट को कुनै फ्याक्टहरू, कुनै सत्यताहरू बताउनको लागि पनि हामीले यसको युज गर्छौँ। लाइक ही वाज द क्याप्टेन अफ द टिम, ऊ त्यो टिमको क्याप्टेन थियो, पहिला थियो, अहिले चाहिँ छैन। इक्जाम्पल्स, सी रोट अ लेटर, उनले एउटा लेटर लेखिन्। दे प्लेड फुटबल स्टडे, हिजै खेलिसकेको थियो, खेल्यो फुटबल उनीहरूले। आई सो द्याट मुभी लास्ट विक, लास्ट विक मैले त्यो मुभी हेरेँ। Now let's continue the lesson. Now we are going to read about past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense and what is the structure of past continuous tense? The structure of past continuous tense is subject plus was were plus verb ing, मतलब कि before plus object. Where is it used and why it is used? It is used to show the actions happening at a specific time in the past. Like at 8 PM I was reading. जब 8 बजेको थियो त्यतिखेर म रिडिङ गरिरहेको थिएँ, मतलब कि रिडिङ गर्न सुरु गरिसकेको थिएँ तर रिडिङ कम्प्लिट भएको थिएन 8 PM तिर। इन्टरप्टेड एक्सन, सी वाज कुकिङ व्हेन द फोन रैङ, जब फोन बाजिरहेको थियो तब उनी खाना पकाइरहेकी थिइन्। ब्याकग्राउन्ड डिस्क्रिप्सन्स, द बर्ड्स वेयर सिंगिङ एन्ड द सन वाज साइनिङ, जब सन साइन गरिरहेको थियो त्यतिखेर बर्ड्सहरूले गाना गीतहरू गाइरहेका थिए। नाउ पास्ट continuous tense, subject plus was were plus object. Let's see some examples of past continuous tense. I was studying at 9 p.m. म 9 बज्दाखेरि पढिरहेको थिएँ. They were playing cricket when it started raining. उनीहरूले क्रिकेट खेलिरहेका थिए जब के भइरहेको थियो त पानी परिरहेको थियो. She was watching TV yesterday evening. हिजो साँझ उसले ऊ टिभी देखिरहेको थिए. Let's continue the chapter. Let's study about past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus past participle and where it is used. कहाँ कहाँ यसको प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ त, किन प्रयोग यसको हुन्छ त्यो कुरा पनि हामीले जानिराख्नु पर्छ. Now let's see the its uses. Action completed before another past action. Past मा यदि कुनै एक्सन भएको थियो र त्यो भन्दा पहिला कुनै एक्सन कम्प्लिट भइसकेको थियो त्यसलाई जनाउनको लागि हामीले पास्ट पर्फेक्ट टेन्सलाई युज गर्छौं. लाइक आई ह्याड फिनिश्ड माई होमवर्क बिफोर डिनर. डिनर गर्नु भन्दा पहिला नै मैले आफ्नो होमवर्क कम्प्लिट गरिसकेको थिएँ. emphasize sequence of event. She had left when I arrived. म जब आए उसले ऊ त्यहाँबाट गइसकेकी थिए. Now see some examples of past perfect tense. He had written letter before I came. म आउनु भन्दा पहिला नै उसले लेटर लेखिसकेको थियो. They had eaten lunch before the meeting. मिटिङ हुनु भन्दा पहिला नै उनीहरूले लन्च गरिसकेको थिए. I had seen that movie. मैले यो मुभी पहिला नै हेरिसकेको थिएँ. Now past perfect continuous tense. The structure of past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had been plus before plus object. And where is past perfect continuous tense used and why it is used? You have to know that it is used to show the action that continued for a period of time in the past. Past मा बितिसकेको समयमा कुनै एक्सन कुनै पिरियड अफ टाइममा घटित भइरहेको थियो अथवा एक्सन भइरहेको थियो, काम भइरहेको थियो, त्यसलाई जनाउनको लागि हामीले पास्ट पर्फेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्सको युज गर्छौं. Like for example, she had been working for 5 years before she moved. 5 वर्षदेखि उनले काम गरिरहेकी थिइन् जब के रे जानु भन्दा पहिला 5 वर्षदेखि त्यहाँ काम गरिरहेकी थिइन्. Emphasize duration before another past event. अब कुनै पास्ट इभेन्ट हुनु भन्दा पहिला त्यो भइरहेको घटनालाई देखाउनको लागि पनि हामीले पास्ट पर्फेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्सलाई युज गर्छौं. I had been waiting for 2 hours when he arrived. Here I had been waiting for 2 hours when he arrived. ऊ आउनु भन्दा पहिला मैले 2 घण्टादेखि उसको वेट गरिरहेको थिए. Now past continuous tense. Past continuous tense को स्ट्रक्चर त हेरिहाल्यौ हामीले. सब्जेक्ट प्लस had been प्लस before प्लस object. अब एक्जाम्पल हेरौं त हामीले. Let's see the examples. He has been playing football for 2 hours before sunset. यहाँ हेर्ने for र since को युज भएको छ यसमा. We have used for and since, and I will make another lesson on the topic of use of for and since. Let's mention in this lesson the use of for and since. Before that, let's see the examples. He had been playing football for 2 hours before sunset. Sunset हुनु भन्दा पहिला उसले 2 घण्टादेखि फुटबल खेलिरहेको थियो। I had been studying since morning before the exam started. मर्निङदेखि नै इक्जाम स्टार्ट हुनुभन्दा पहिला मर्निङदेखि नै म पढिरहेको थिएँ। दे ह्याड बिन लिभिङ इन काठमाडौँ सिन्स 2020 एडी। 2020 सालदेखि नै उनीहरू काठमाडौँमा बसिरहेका थिए। Now let's see one bonus chapter for you. Use of since and for. Where is since used? What does since show? Since shows the starting point of an action, from where it began. For shows the duration of action, how long it lasted. I have also mentioned it in Nepali. Since भनेको देखि र फोर भनेको का लागि समयसम्म। अब सिन्स भनेको क्रियाको सुरुवातको समय देखाउँछ। जबदेखि कसैले काम कुनै सुरु गर्न गर्छ त्यतिखेरको समयदेखि लिएर ड्युरेसन हेराउँछ, कहिलेदेखि सुरु भयो भनेर हेराउँछ। र फोर भनेको क्रियाको अवधि देखाउँछ, कति बेलादेखि काम गर्यो भनेर, कति समयसम्म काम गर्यो भनेर देखायो। नाउ what does student makes mistakes, common mistakes, like see here, some of students writes like this, she write a later study. This is totally wrong sentence of past tense. What will be the right sentence? She wrote a later study. They was playing football study. Is this right? No, this is also not right sentence of past tense. Okay, now see here, what is the right sentence? They were playing football study. Now see one another example. I had saw that movie before. These are the common mistakes that student makes. I had saw that movie before. This is wrong sentence of past tense. We have to use I had seen that movie before. Now, dear students, let's compare the four form of past tense. Simple past, let's revise it from beginning. Simple past, subject plus V2 plus object. For example, she wrote a later. Past continuous, subject plus was where plus V4 plus object. She was writing a later. Past perfect, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. She had written a later. Past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had been plus V4 plus object. She had been writing a later. You can also add for 2 hours or 1 hours or 1 hour. Okay, thanks for watching.